Hi, today let's make one of Mangalore's famous dish, which is prawn sukka. Very simple to make. First I've taken in prawns, it's neatly washed and deveined. Now let's do a simple marination. I've added in salt and turmeric. Let's marinate it just like 5 to 10 minutes while we roast the basic spices. Now let's roast basic spices like you need to roast the spices in a very low flame. I've added in some cumin seeds, then goes in some coriander seeds, some methi seeds, then goes in some peppercorns and then some mustard seeds. You need to dry roast it in a very low flame, and once it's fragrant, take it and keep it aside. Now to the same pan, I'll add in some oil, and once the oil has been heated up, I'm adding in some curry leaves, then goes in some sliced onions, and I'm adding in some garlic, and then goes in some roasted dry red chilies or Kashmiri chilies, and then I'm adding in the roasted spices, tamarind, and then just give it a quick toss. You don't need too much of roasting, and then blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now to the same pan, I've taken some grated coconut. Just let's roast it till it's slightly brown and then keep it aside. Now let's start making our sukka. To the pan, I've added in ghee. You can add in coconut oil as well. I like the ghee flavor, so I've added in ghee, and once it's heated up, I'm adding in some chopped onions and curry leaves and give it a good mix. Once it's slightly mushy, I've added in chopped ginger, and then I've added in the prawns, and then I'm adding in the curry paste which I've made. Now give it a good mix. Prawn doesn't take too much of time to cook. It'll cook very quickly, so see to that the prawns is neatly very well coated with the masala, and give it a quick toss. Finally, when you feel the prawns are ready, at the last add in some shredded coconut which we had roasted previously, and toss the prawns really very well. Check for the salt, and finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Your famous Mangalore dish, which is a prawn sukka, is ready to serve. You can serve it with, in Mangalore we called as ganji. With ganji and prawn sukka is the best. You can have it with neer, dosa, appam. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can see the ingredients on the screen while I was explaining. As I always say, enjoy your food and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.